Around the world, millions of people have been using zeolite to remove harmful toxins and pollutants so they can live healthier lives. But you may be wondering, what exactly is zeolite? How does it work? And should I use it too? Let's start at the beginning. Zeolites are created in nature. When volcanic ash meets seawater, it triggers a natural reaction, resulting in a crystalline structure with several unique properties. First, zeolites are a rare, negatively charged mineral. Like magnets, zeolites attract positively charged particles into and onto their surface. And it just so happens that most heavy metals, such as lead, mercury, arsenic, and many other environmental toxins, are positively charged. That makes the zeolite a natural detoxifier. Second, zeolites are distinctive because they are highly effective at cation exchange, swapping ions in and out of the zeolite. This means that when properly processed, the zeolite will give the body a good ion, like calcium, and take a bad ion, like lead. Cation exchange is key to how zeolite removes toxins from the body. Third, unlike other minerals, zeolites don't accumulate or stay in the body. They pass through in about 4 to 6 hours, bringing any toxins they trap with them. That means toxins end up where they belong, in the toilet. In today's world, detoxing is essential, simply because we're bombarded with daily exposure to toxins, which starts even before we're born. Over time, small toxin exposures accumulate and build up in our bodies, overwhelming our natural detox defense systems. Toxins can undermine our health in ways big and small, lowering energy levels, slowing metabolism, disrupting hormones, affecting sleep, and creating brain fog that makes it hard to focus. Detoxing daily with zeolite takes away years of toxic buildup, restoring energy, restful sleep, clear focus, and allowing you to feel like new. There are many kinds of zeolite, and the zeolite with the perfect combination of structure and cation exchange capacity is called Clinoptilolite. But not all Clinoptilolite supplements work the same. Most zeolite particles are too big to get through the gut, so they only provide a digestive detox. And nearly all of them already have toxins inside the crystalline structure, so they can't detox the body. Others feature a synthetic zeolite, lacking the hundreds of studies done on natural zeolite. And some even claim to have zeolite molecular fragments, which implies they're missing the whole zeolite structure needed to work for detox. Thankfully, there is one zeolite supplement that is nano-sized for optimal absorption and whole-body detox. Purified and pre-filled with beneficial minerals for cation exchange, uses only natural Clinoptilolite, which has GRAS status and is the subject of all the scientific research, and features whole zeolite for maximum detox. That zeolite is Pure Body Extra by Touchstone Essentials. With over 1 million bottles sold, Pure Body Extra is changing lives around the world. Its natural zeolite is nano-sized, proven pure, and optimized to help remove all the bad stuff that's been building up in your body for years. With a few simple, taste-free sprays throughout the day, you're covered 24/7. Pure Body Extra is backed by science, thousands of 5-star reviews, and a money-back guarantee. If you're ready to experience the goodness that comes from being toxin-free, try Pure Body Extra today.